Hello everyone, this is Binsu. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you like how to attempt the CSWP sample exam. I will be also sharing with you some tricks that would be helpful for you in minimizing your time. Okay, so eventually the sample exam that you get from the Dassault website of SolidWorks, it has only segment 1. So I will be basically making you aware on how to solve this segment 1 problem. So let us see what is the question that is being given to us. So this is the question. This eventually has 5 sub questions. Now for your understanding, this is the first image. It's very important to understand the images very clearly. You should be very thorough with your views. So if you see here, I have identified this view as the front view and this as the side view. So these are the only two views that are given to you. Okay. And these two views are nothing but the section that is given here. So one is section HH, section JJ, its views are given here. Similarly, in section HH, we will find another section line that is KK, that view is given here. And this is the isometric view. Okay, I will go down. Now here they are also given us some more conditions with respect to the parameters that you have to give. There are some global variables. So all these relations we are going to give using global variables. F is nothing but it is giving us details about the hole that is present in the geometry. And finally, we have to measure what is the mass of the part. Okay. Unit system is in MMGS. Material is alloy steel. So let us begin. Let us see how to create this model of CSWP segment 1. So first thing is there is a toolbar which you need to keep activated whenever you are solving any segment related problems for CSWP. So how to get that toolbar? Right click on this empty space, click on toolbars, and here you will see there is a briefcase like symbol that is being reflected by the name tools. Just click on that. Okay, now click on the empty space. Now here you see, this is the tool that I was saying to you. It's a very useful tool. Basically, it helps you in measuring a lot of things. For example, you see there is a measure tool, you have the mass properties, you have the equations. So this tool eventually saves your time in going to evaluate tab and selecting on the mass properties. It's a quite a handy tool and it eventually helps in reducing your time a bit. Okay, so now let us begin. So first thing we have to do is add the material. I will right click on material, click on edit material, and I will expand the steel library. Here you will have alloy steel, select it, click on apply and close. Then I am going to give the relation that is given to me under global variables. So type here A, press enter. So this value is given as 213. I will type 213, then B is given as 200, then C is 170, D is 130, E is 41, F we will see later on. Let us now give relations for X and Y. Now X is nothing but this is A by 3. That means I have to use this global variable A. So here you have global variable A, this divide by 3. Then Y, this is equal to B by 3. Okay, so you have your global variable B by 3 plus 10. Okay, so now we have given all the relations. Now let us click on OK. So I will just save this. I will save these files in desktop. I will write the question as question number. I will just write it as question number 1, Q1. That's the first question. That's written as Q1. Now let us begin with the modeling. So first I will begin with the rectangle here, which is given as A by B. So click on top plane, go to extrude boss, I will use the center rectangle, put the center point at the origin and give the dimensions. So this is A. Now how to give a global variable parameter here? Just type equal to and then type A. You will see the global variable that we have assigned. Just select it and then press enter twice. Okay, same you have to do here. So this is B, type equal to B, press enter twice, and then the extrude that you see, it is basically given as 25. I will exit and I will provide the extrude of 25. Click on OK. Now we have done with that. Now what I will do, I'll create this cylinder that you see here. Okay. One thing to note is they are basically made at an offset distance of 10 mm, both the cylinders. And I will only create the outer cylinder first, not the inner cylinder, inner hole that you see. There is a reason for that. I will get back to you later on. Okay. So now let us select this face. I will go to extrude, Control 8. Yeah, I will just help you out with the mouse controls. For zoom in, zoom out, you have to just, when you move your scroll in the downward direction, it zooms out. When you move your scroll in the upward direction, it will zoom in. Okay, and if you need to pan this, hold your control and your scroll and then drag your mouse. That's how you can pan it. Okay, so now let me create this circle. So circle outer, this is X. So this I will give as equal to X. Okay. This distance, this is given as 95. For center point, they have given us like, you see here this edge. So from this edge, it's 7.5. Now what is that edge? That edge is nothing but this C. Okay. So that means this C minus 7.5 is going to give me the center point of this circle. Let us do that. I will go to Smart Dimensions, select this point and this edge. This will be equal to C minus 7.5. Press enter. Okay, so that is done. Now exit. Now we have to also take care of the offset. It is going to extrude from this surface, that is this, but we don't need that, right? It needs to be 10 mm away. Now here in extrude, you have an option called as from sketch plane. I will make it to offset and write here as 10. So you see it is offsetting the extrude by a distance of 10 from the sketch. I will reverse the direction. This is given as D. This is equal to D. Select D. Press enter twice. There you go. We have made this. The same way we need to make the circle here also. So let us create here. I will go to extrude. Select this face. Control 8. Create the circle. This height is the same, that is 95. Okay, and then same way here also this is 7.5 and this is also C. That means C minus 7.5, that is going to give me the center point. Okay, so Smart Dimensions, this and this is equal to global variable C minus 7.5 and press enter twice. Yes. So we have got this, and this is having a diameter of Y. So this will be equal to Y. Select Y, press enter twice. Okay. Yes. So we have made this. Same operation of extrude. First I will offset it by a distance of 10. So that's basically offset from this H by a distance of 10. And then I am going to reverse the direction. This will be equal to D. Select D, press enter twice. Okay, so we have completed with the cylinders. Now we will create this particular thing. You see this shaded region in the connector between the two cylinders, that is the support or the one which is holding the cylinders. Let us create that. For that I will select this plane, this face as the sketching plane. It's basically an extrude, so I'll click on extrude, press Ctrl 8. You need to see the lines. I will change the visibility to hidden lines. I will go to line, start from here, and now if I move it again makes a line, right? Now just bring your cursor back to this point. Now it takes the shape of a curve. So eventually I need it to be this shape. Okay, so position the center point with the tracking notation as this, and then this is the end point. So this dimension is given as 80. Okay, and what I will do, this and this I will select using the control key, keep it as equal, and this is given as C. From here to here this is equal to C. Select C, press enter twice. So now if you observe, we have not closed the profile. I am going to exit, and I will it says reverse direction to close sketch. Click on no. Make sure you are changing your display types back to shaded with edges. Now see what it does. So what it has eventually done, it basically automatically activates the extrude thin option. So thin, basically see, it also gives us the offset. This is given as 15. Okay, and what is the height? This height is nothing but, total is 95. We have already made a base of 25, so 95 minus 25 will be 70. Here I will write it as 70. Click on OK. Yes. Now I hope so you have understood why didn't I create the hole at the beginning, because of this feature. So now it's best to create a hole, but before that make sure you are saving till here. Select this, Ctrl 8. Now both the holes are eventually having the diameter as E. Okay, so I will go to circle, create a circle whose diameter is equal to E. Okay, exit. And then it's quite simple. We have to do the extrude cut. Extrude cut, I am going to do it up to next. Click on OK. Same way here also, select this, sketch this, press Ctrl 8, go to circle. Now when you bring it to the circumference, your cursor, and then you can get the center point snap here, and this is again E. This is equal to E. Select this, press enter twice, and click on OK. I will exit. I will again go to extrude cut. I will go for up to next, click on OK. So there you go, we have made the cut. Now what we have to make? Okay, let's see what we have to make. If you see here, we have to make this part. Okay, now they have, it's nothing but a square of 60 by 60. So let's go to click on extrude boss, select this face, press Ctrl 8 to make it normal to the view, and now I'm going to use the corner rectangle. Sorry. Yes, so now I will be using the corner rectangle here. From here I will create it. What are the dimensions we have for that? 60 by 60. Oh, sorry, I just clicked on exit sketch. Just right click. I click over here. Smart dimensions. This is 60, and this is again 60. Okay, so now what is the extrude height? If you look here, it's 25 already we have made, and this is 35, difference is 10. Eventually we have to extrude this by 10. Let's write here 10. press enter, click on OK. Now if you look, there is a hole here. So what in this F, it's a counter bore. They have basically given here all the details of the hole. Okay, so what you have to do for that, click on hole wizard, activate the type option, select counter bore, standard, make it as ANSI metric, hex bolt, this is this standard it is mentioned to us. From size you select M8, fit is close fit. By default the custom sizing is off. You just activate this and give the dimensions as given here. Hole diameter is 15, press enter. Bore diameter is 30, counter bore depth is 10, and scroll down, you have to make the end condition as true or. Okay, don't check any of the options here, just keep it as it is. So first thing is you have to make these changes. ANSI metric. Okay, now once you have made this, now go to positions. First thing you have to select the face where you need the hole. I need the hole here, select this. Now just when you drag your mouse, you should get the preview. The preview of the hole. Click on OK here. Hole looks to be small. See, it has basically taken some other type. Let me just right click and click on edit. It's a counter bore, ANSI metric. Yeah, I didn't click on this. Okay, this is nothing but this is 15, this is 30, and this is 10. Okay, so now it looks okay. Now what I have to do, I have to right click on this first sketch. Since we have not positioned the hole, right click on this sketch, click on edit sketch. You find a blue dot. This is nothing but this is the location for the center point of the hole. So select this. This is, what is the dimension? It's given as 30. So I'll write here this as 30. Same way, dimension with respect to this is also 30. And now click on OK and then exit sketch. Okay, now what do we have? We have a radius here. That radius is given as 15. So go to fillet, click on this, give the radius as 15, click on OK. Okay, so this we have done till here. Press save this. Now what do we have? You have a slot here. There is a slot here. So let us see how to create that slot. A slot is on this face. I will select this face, go to sketch, and then I'll click on offset. Now what does it do? It highlights all the boundaries of that selected face and then offsets it. We don't need the offset to be in this direction. I will reverse it. I will write it as 9, that is given to us. Click on OK. And now what is the depth? You see here they have given us 5, that is up to bottom surface 5 mm. I will now exit, go to features, extrude cut, and then I will go for offset from surface. I will select the bottom surface here, mention this as 5, and then click on OK. Okay, and now we will go for the fillets. We haven't given the fillets here. So this corner is a 10 mm fillet. Okay, so click here, this edge, select this option of connected to end loop, that is 3 edges. This will be 10. Click on OK. Here inside also we have some fillets, that is total is 6 fillets of radius 10. Okay, same way, select this edge, and sorry, I will just do it once again because you need that option of multi selection. Okay, I will click on this, total 5 connected loop edges, yes, that is 10. Click on OK. Okay, so now we are only left out with one thing, that is chamfer across the cylinders. There are 4 chamfers. So just click on the drop down arrow fillet, chamfer, select this one, and then this. Okay, I will show you the mouse controls quickly. Rotate the model, you have to just select the scroll button in your mouse and drag your mouse. If you need to pan, hold the control and the cursor, and then you can drag your mouse. Zoom in, zoom out, just move your cursor up and down. Okay, so this is 2 into 45. I will click on OK. So we have made this. I guess that is the final part. We have not, there is nothing else to be made. We have to just find out the mass of this. Okay, they have eventually said to find the mass. Okay, save it. So mass we got as 14207.34, and if you see, there is an option. The first question is right. Now we have to go for the second part of the question. What I will do, go to File, Save As, write this as question 2. Okay, and here we have an option called a Save As Copy and Open. Select that option and then click on Save. Click on Close the original document. Okay, and now let us go for the second question. Now what? Just read the title carefully. It is only saying to update the parameters. Only this has changed. All the whole everything is same. Okay, so now that's quite simple. Click on Equations. Update the parameters. A is 225. B is 210. C is 176. D is 137. E is 39. That's it. X and Y remain the same. Click on OK. Okay, it has been modified. Save it. What is the mass we are getting? It's coming as 16490.48. Okay. So eventually it's not specified here. So you have to write here 169. Sorry, it's 164. 16490.48 grams. So in your CSWP, there will be a box where you have to feed in this value. Okay, so that is complete. Second question is complete. Save it. Again, go to File, Save As. Write this as question 3. Save as copy. Click on this. Click on Close the original document. Now question 3 is open. Let's move to question 3. Here also same, update the parameters. That means every whole remains the same. If you check, we have to only update these parameters. Again, I'll go to equations. What is A is 209. 209. B is 218. C is 169. D is 125. E is 41. And X and Y are the same. I'll click on OK. Control S, go for mass properties. What I am getting? 15100.46. Okay, 15100.46. Right here 15100.46. This also we didn't have any MCQ. Okay, so I'll close this, save it. Again, go to File, Save As copy. I'll write this as question 4. select close the original document. Now question 4, there are some modifications in the images or in the drawings. First thing to be noted down, that hole is missing, so we have to remove the hole. Then on the other side there is a slot, okay, as you see here. We have to make this slot also, okay. Then, and yeah, this is one more thing. If you see here, there is a cut. Okay, so let us see how to do this. Okay, I will suppress, continue, ignore. Yeah, now it has come. Okay, so now you can edit this fillet. Eventually one of the edges is missing, that is this edge. Select this edge and click on OK. It's okay, you know, there is an error coming up saying like some entities are missing. Just click on yes. Okay, save till here. Now we will go for the slot that is present here. So what I will do, I will select this, go to sketch. Okay, now I will go to offset, offset this line, offset this, both are reverse. Okay, so eventually we have given this fillet also. So what I can, yeah, I will just go for fillet also. Fine. Okay, it's a straight line. Okay, and now click on OK here. Then again we have to offset this part also. Offset, select this. This is 9. Reverse the direction. Click on OK. This we didn't change the offset distance. This was 9 actually. Okay, now you see there is a curve coming up. Now this is happening because, you know, we didn't take care of the fillet, this fillet that we have. Okay, so what you can do, since you need to create it once again, I can suppress that fillet. Yeah, I can suppress that fillet. Why we are doing that? Because later on we have to give a fillet there, so it should be a sharp edge. So let me just no, I will suppress this fillet. First I will exit from sketch, suppress the fillet. Okay, edit, unsuppress this part. Okay, let me just delete it. And where we need to make that. Okay, so we are clear till here. After this we are having the fillets. So let me just move it about this part. Okay, now it's quite simple. Now select this face, go to sketch. Okay, and then I will go to offset. Select this edge, reverse it, distance is 9, click on OK. Then we have this, again go to offset, reverse, click on OK, press Ctrl 8. Now this I will be going from here to here, and same way here also, line extending from here to here. Now I will trim this, click on OK, exit. Now this also has a offset from surface depth of 5, extrude cut this, and I will go for offset from surface is this, I will select 5, click on OK. Okay, Now you can scroll down. See, now it's okay, it has taken care of that thing. Okay, so this was quite important. What I did, I suppressed this all portions by moving this particular hand symbol that you get. By that you can go back to that feature from wherein you need the changes to be made. So by doing that, I was here, right? I made this extrude. So I created a feature way before fillet. So this is an advantage of using this particular tool. This hand icon, whenever you see the hand icon, just press the cursor to scroll down. It shows you the other part. Again, you can go up. Okay, so it's quite handy tool. We use it a lot during the CSWP part modeling. So now I hope so this is clear. Now we have here some fillets. There are 3 fillets of radius 10. So go to fillet, radius is 10. I will select this edge, select this, click on OK. So that we have made. Press save. Now we need to create a hole here. There is some slot here, right? So again, move this tool to that location where we only have the cylinders. Okay, so yeah. So now I will create this. I will select this face, click on sketch. So take a reference of this. Go offset entities, select this. Reverse it. Now this distance is given as 10. It's already given here. You see here 10. Okay. I will click on OK. Exit. And now I will be using the cut extrude. Cut extrude. So from this surface we have to offset it. If you see, they have given us here 30, and this the extrude cut is 30. Okay, so this I will write 30. That I have to reverse the direction, and this is also 30. Now click on OK. Okay, we have got this slot being made, and now when you bring it down, and this 10, see, everything is taken care, right? So that's a very important thing. You have to always use this particular hand icon to drag to a particular location of your sketch where you need the modification to be done. Now Control S. So I guess we have completed. There is another change. You look here, these are the minute changes. This chamfer is of 30. So right click on chamfer. I will make this as 30. Click on OK. Control S. So now we have to basically add the relation that is given here. Okay, we haven't done this. So let us basically change it. So equations, I will change this. This is 2, 1, 1. This is 2, 2, 1. This one is 2, 1, 1. This is 165. This is 121. And this is 37. Finally, y is also changing here. This is 15, b by 3 plus 15. Okay, so just click on OK. The changes will be reflected in your model as well. Okay, so now let us see what is the mass, because that's what being asked to find out. We have to find the mass. So I will click on mass properties. Yes, so we are getting it as 13206.36, and if you check here, this is what is closer. So eventually, if you make it to, you can just go to options, use custom settings. If you change this to 1 decimals, click on OK. It gives you basically the same answer, that is 13206.4. Okay, so we have got this answer. So just click on close, save it. Now we will have to go for the last question, and last question is nothing but you just read the title. You have to only update the parameters. Okay, so let us do that. So I'll go to File, Save As, write this as question 5, save as copy, and you can save. I'll just click on close the original document. Now it has basically opened 5, and what we have to do, we have to just do the modifications in the parameters. Again, open equations. So let us change it. A is 229, B is 217, C is 163, D is 119, E is 34, and this is the same. Okay, A by 3, B by 3 plus 15. Click on OK. Save it. Let us go to mass properties. So it's coming as 14208.0. That's the answer which we are getting. That is, now here it's basically not an MCQ. It is coming as 14208. That is the answer which we are getting. And if you go here, this shows the case. So basically we got this correct. These 3 answers were right. Actually, in bracket I have written the answers which I have got. There are some errors or corrections in the answer that is provided in the answer key for question 2 and 3 only. Okay, so I hope so this video has helped you to understand how to solve the sample exam for CSWP. If you do like my video, please subscribe it and stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.